What we have in this box for you today is a POLIVIAR French Press. Open her up, pull the pieces out. Actually, it comes completely assembled. As you can see, it comes from the factory with a double screen on it. And it comes with a second double screen too. This is 2 screens in this bag, so that if this one ever wears out, right in the box, at no extra cost to you, it comes with this second set of screens. What I'd like to point out to you, besides the stainless steel build of this particular French press, is the thickness of the wall. This is a double-walled French press. That means that unlike your typical glass French press, this French press is going to keep your coffee hot for quite a while. The top is built so that it also has an insulating chamber up top. When you have it turned in the correct direction, you'll be able to pour the coffee through this area of the top. But if you turn it, it's going to keep the coffee hot for a long time. So you can make yourself a couple of cups of coffee, and you don't have to worry about the second cup getting cold while you're enjoying your first one. It comes in several different colors. This one is the gray with the speckle. I think it's got a really good look to it, but it does come in many different colors so that you can get it to fit the look of your kitchen or your service. It does hold 34 ounces of water, but I am not going to need nearly that much. We're just going to be making some coffee for me today. Add some boiling water. It's been about 4 minutes, so time to push the plunger. And fabulous taste. I want to thank the nice people at POLIVIAR for sending me this French press. I know that I am going to enjoy it over and over again, just like I enjoyed using it today to make this video for you guys.